Next month lalabas yung wine natin.
Next month na? Sabihin ko, Ben, dito ka mag-private event.
Itong KJ sir? Hindi pa.
Yung production.
Production?
Ay, that's me.
Napa.
Wow. And when you say Napa Valley wine, it's very, very popular.
Wala sa atin masyadong Napa wine.
Yung sa Napa Crosswinds, hindi ba yung Napa Valley wine or just the Napa Valley concept?
Hindi, siya eh.
Concept lang siya ng
yung
Napa
concept
Valley.
Doon sa Danish, yung pinupuntahan natin sa sa may Highway 1.
Solvang.
Solvang. Yun yung concept. So, sa mga iba, pwede mag-stay dito. Mag-ano sila, and then experience this. Okay din, di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos, baba ka, tapos mag-wine.
Pero siguradong mahal siya.
Siyempre.
Oh, this is so cool.
Pero,
It's a chateau that you can rent
maganda
for your special event.
They have
And they have the front.
5 pang ganito.
Wow.
So, they really want to partner ever since.
You go in this room, and there's the winery in your back. See.
Ayun, di ba? Yan.